Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D polyline in MSCAD from MicroSurvey. To do that, I'm just going to go to the Draw 3D tab up top, and I'm going to click on 3D polyline. And now I can click on any corners or points or entities that I have, and I can snap to them with my 3D polyline. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect a few nodes here. I can snap to lines, I can snap to corners, I can snap to points, whatever I need to do. If I make a mistake, I can always undo my last point by pressing U and pressing enter in the command line. And if I want to close the polyline, I can just go ahead and type C and then press enter. So now I can go up top and go to the View tab and go to my constrained orbit and pan around here. You can see my polyline is in fact a 3D polyline. It has elevation, it has XY coordinates. This is super useful if I'm doing anything like a road center line or a pipe network or anything like that. If you have any questions or you have an idea of what you'd like to see in our next video, feel free to leave a comment on this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to be notified whenever we have a new video, you can go ahead and click on that bell in the top right. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.